to install on Mac, I'll just click the Mac download. That'll download a zip. Do you want to allow downloads? If you get that pop-up, click allow. Once that's downloaded, it'll show up in your downloads here. So I'll just click show in Finder. So here it is. And remember on Mac, what you want to do is just drag it to this applications folder. So I'll drag my application over from downloads to applications. It's moved it to the applications folder. Then remember the very first time on Mac, you need to go in here and right click or two-finger click or control click on and click open, and it'll say Wekinator machine cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. That's okay, I'm the developer. Click cancel, and then do that exact same thing again. Right click or control click or two-finger click, click open, and then now you can actually click open. And it should open up the application. So there it is. The model I used was this trackpalm model, but you'll be free to sort of use any of these models going forward.